What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and would you like to create a nice spa or beauty salon website based on WordPress and you have no experience, no time, and would like to start with a pre-built website with all the layout that you can customize in the way that you want? Would you like it? In today's video, you're gonna learn how to do this in a simple, fast, effective, and free method. And this is a fully customizable method, so in the case that you want, you can access these features text and change it, access these photos and change it, access any part of this page and customize in the way that you want, including the logo type, the menus, the sub-menus. Every single part can be customized in the way that you want. How to do this? This is what you're gonna learn. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics in order to choose internet on a site's favor. So let's get this started. Very first thing to do is navigate your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over appearance, and click on themes. By default, WordPress comes with the 2024 theme, but for this video, we're gonna install a new theme, okay? Into the search field, we're gonna type Enzu, okay? Just like this. We're gonna be installing the Enzu WordPress theme by Visual Modo, okay? After this, we're gonna click onto the Activate button. This is gonna redirect us to the list, to the welcome page. This you can install the essential plugins, so click right here. After this, click into install for the Borderless plugin. Go back, click to install for the Elementor, and after this, click into the activate button. Theme for Elementor. Click on install, after this, click on activate. Elementor gonna try to make you create an account or their website, just like this, okay? You can ignore this. There is, if you look into the upper right corner of the screen, there is an Next button. You can click on it, okay? After this, all we have to do is hover mouse over Borderless menu that you have into the right sidebar of your site and click into the sub-menu Library. Borderless is an amazing plugin that lets you install amazing templates and tools on your site, and you can start with a lot of pre-built websites, okay? And for this option right here, we're gonna be installing the salon, okay? Should be our option, or even the yoga option, okay? In the case that you want. Let's click on import. We can customize or visit the website. Let's visit the website. And here is our yoga pre-built website. There is salon templates, there is spa templates as well, but the yoga already gives you a nice and health style website. We have a couple of pages to play with, like the About Us. Wonderful, nice. The classes. We have a blog and a contact us page. But we can do more, okay? Once we have installed Elementor, we can click into edit with Elementor in any of these pre-built website pages. This is gonna load up the Elementor editor, and it's very intuitive process. You can change the image, the texts, every part that you want, okay? For example, imagine that you want to change this title. All we have to do is click on it, and right here into the left sidebar, you're gonna be able to change the size, the HTML tag, the alignment, apply a link, or change the title text. We have the style tab to change colors and typography as well. Same for every single part. For example, if you want to change this image, click on it, select the image. You can upload a new one from your computer, clicking on select files, or go to the media library and select another image, okay? For example, this one. If you don't like, you can undo the process. Same for button, we can apply a link to this button in the case that you want, okay? In a very simple way. After made all your changes, you can click into the update button right here into the bottom left corner of our screen and save the changes. This gonna makes you save all of the changes you made on your page, okay? Of course, there is extra features that we can explore on our site. Let's exit. Let's go back to the WordPress dashboard, hover our mouse over appearance, and now we're gonna have a new button onto a new submenu on the appearance called it Customize. Right here, we're gonna be able to change parts of our site like menu styles, footer styles, global site colors, and the logo type. Imagine that you would like to change the logo type, for example. You can move to the left sidebar of menus. We have header, logo, and right here we can customize the logo in the way that you want, and we have a couple of special options to create the logo that you want, okay? You can do many more things on our site, all for free without paying anything, and we have a couple of nice templates including the spa, the salon, the beauty, the yoga, and other nice templates. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our borderless WordPress plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site, our Enzo WordPress theme, our growth.net platform that is a place where we can submit our blog for receiving and publishing guest posts, our sites.gallery that is a place where we can promote your site, your pages, your landing pages, anything that you want, it's free. And in the case that you want, go premium while doing your WordPress website, unlock access to our entire templates library with hundreds of pre-built websites. You can go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visualmodo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library with all of those pre-built websites, in addition to premium themes, plugins, blocks, assets, templates, tools, and many more pro features. And that is, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!